Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Trust Wallet to Binance. Let's begin. You can also do this through Binance app and Trust Wallet app on your smartphones. In this case, I am going to use desktop version for this one, going through Binance.com and then using also my Trust Wallet here. So today I decided to transfer BUSD from my Trust Wallet to Binance to my Binance. First I will do is, of course, I don't memorize all my wallet, guys, so I just go here and depending on which wallet you store or you deposited all your crypto. In my case, most of my crypto coins are in my funding wallet, so I'm just gonna locate where my BUSD wallet is. So just hover your mouse here to get deposit. So just a reminder for those who are still new in cryptocurrency, this is where you can locate your wallet, guys. So it's defaulted to BUSD, just choose BSC, and then the system would auto-populate, your wallet for BUSD. So I'm just gonna copy that. So now, let's go to Trust Wallet. And say for this one, I've already defaulted to, the type of crypto in my Trust Wallet. So you can see three options here: send, receive, and swap. Send is pretty much, when you send the crypto. Receive is when you're, of course, going to receive crypto. And then this is swap if you would like to convert or, make some swaps with your cryptocurrency. Now, in this case, I'm going to send BUSD to Binance. Guys, I'll just have a little note here that I've already pre-transferred the BUSD, but I'm still going to show you the steps on how it's done. So here, you're going to paste the wallet that we've copied for BUSD. And then say, for example, I am just going to transfer maximum of the BUSD and then just hit and continue. Mind you guys, there is actually a network fee that's associated every time that you would transfer most of the crypto to, say for example, from your Trust Wallet to Binance. So in this case, it gives you the details. Just need to hit and continue. Oh, sorry, confirm button. But once you hit this part right here, you guys, it will give you this passcode. But just for security purposes, I've already passed through that. Let's go back to our Binance page. So here, we could actually see, just for you to check if it was successfully deposited, we can go back to our wallet. And for this one, we could already see that it has been deposited on my BUSD wallet. You could also check the transaction history. So you'd be able to, confirm that it's already deposited. So that's it. So it's already here on my account. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.